Your back affects your daily health. Welcome to another installment of Your Spine, Your Health.
Today we're going to address some of the concepts that you learned in the last session with Dr. Don. Those are related to the anatomy of T2, the thoracic spine, and their relationship to T1. And today we're going to be talking about T3 and the relationship to T4. Those are areas that are located between the shoulders and the back. What we want to do today is outline some of the issues that are surrounding that area and some of the dynamic components that are related to that in motion and activity. Muscle balance is an essential component for an athlete to obtain his optimal goals. The difference between first and eighth in an Olympic final and a 100-meter race is nearly that. And that type of performance level requires tremendous muscle balance and synchronicity of muscle activity in order to perform that high level. It's important that we understand that when you have an action in your arm, whether it's playing tennis or stroke in swimming, that there's muscles that are turning on and turning off. How do those muscles turn on and turn off? The brain is a component, the spine is a component, and the muscle itself is a component. And that integration between those three is what makes it happen. When we raise our arm above our head, one muscle turns off, the other muscle turns on, muscle turns off, muscle turns off. If one of those muscles is turned off and it won't turn back on again, that leads to a problem. The body will either do one of two things to alleviate that. It'll either speed up through that range of motion, or it will use recruiting muscles around that area to mimic the muscle that's not working. That alters the focus of what the action is, and in turn, over a long period of time, creates imbalance and then leads to perhaps injury or pain. One of the things that you should be aware of is that not only could you have a specific problem in the shoulder when you're playing tennis or if you're into your golf game, but you may also have, as a result of that, secondary sites in your body, such as in between your shoulder blades, your neck. The segments become jammed and don't move as a result of the muscle imbalance. And so it's important to see your local chiropractor and identify whether those areas are at fault and have those corrected so that the remaining part of the body will allow the function to occur. Remember, your back is important for your daily health. Join Dr. Don on the next show as he continues his journey down your spine.